Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If today is the first time you are coming across my video, you're welcome. But if you're a constant viewer, thank you. In this video is a tutorial on how to grow your hair, and I'm using pear. After washing the pear and my banana, I cut it in some pieces, then peel the back and slice it in some pieces so that it will enable me to smash it or blend it. We all know that banana and pear is not only essential in our body but on our hair too. This is the last resort after smashing everything together. If you have blender, good, but there is no light, so I added my honey. Honey is very nice, it will make the hair not to be dry. Also, I added my olive oil. This is the available one now, so I'm using this particular olive oil. Then I added my moringa powder. I don't know who taught me this, but I hope it works. And I mixed everything together, and this is our final look. I removed my wig cap feeling like a fine girl. Anyways, I'm a fine girl, but my hair is very extremely dry. I have to hydrate the hair because I don't know, the dryness is not giving at all. But I think the hair is growing after I twisted it the last video. So I have started applying all my mixture on my hair, and I hope it works though. I'm done applying, then I'll part my hair so that it will enable me to wash when I'm ready to do so. Another thing is to use nylon to cover the hair. Another thing, if it's possible, double cover it so there is no way, no trace that air will enter the hair. We need heat. The most important thing about this thing is heat. Please guys, do well to like my video, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, love you. Mwah!